I'm getting ready to install this 2-pack of these floating shelves. This is what they look like when you get them. Here's the insert that you're going to install. The shelf is going to slide over top of this. I'll show you all that. But the first thing that I want to point out to you is that these are real wood. Look at this. These are actually handmade. This is real stain. This is actually solid wood. I think this is pine. I was really pleased to see that because a lot of the stuff you get, especially online, it's cheap. It's particle board, it's laminate, it's anything but real wood. This is solid wood. So they're gonna give you drywall anchors and screws with this. So here's the insert. This is what your floating shelf is gonna sit on. We're gonna screw this to the wall. We're gonna anchor one here and then we can level it from there. So all we're gonna do, okay, so I've got one in. You see how we've just got this tacked in there? All right, we're gonna go ahead and throw our level on it. Okay, so this is rock solid in there. Then all we're gonna do is take our shelf and we're just gonna slide it right over the top. Now they give you a little bit of wiggle room in there. But there you go. That is our first floating shelf. All right, so the second one, we're gonna go a little bit higher here. All right, and then we'll take our second shelf, slide it right over the top, and there you have it. We've got 2 of those installed. All right, let me just give you a nice little close-up look here. I mean, these look amazing. Look at how nice. We got our second shelf up here, and they're gonna hold quite a bit of weight. Now, we're not gonna overload these with a bunch of stuff, but let's get them let's get these prepped. I'll give you a final look. So this is one of my kids' rooms. I just threw some stuff on the shelves. They're gonna organize this with different things, but just to kind of show you, I mean, we've got a 2-liter, we've got some heavy stuff on these shelves. We've got some weights. These things are rock solid. They're not going anywhere. So that's just a quick look of what you can do with these. Super easy to install. I would definitely recommend these. They did a great job. Definitely pick them up and check them out. That's my quick review. Thanks for watching.